And we want to be working with our smooth side down, fuzzy side up. The other way to identify it, the correct side, is that we have our tape, leading edge tape is up, and that's the side we want to be working on. So, first thing we're going to do is grab a zip tie. And if you notice on zip ties, there's a knuckle on the end, and we want to push the zip tie this direction, the tail end into the knuckle. Don't do it yet, because once you start, you can't get them apart. So now what we're going to do is fold the tab over, crease it, and coming from the top of the kite, go through the hole and down through, fold over, go through the bottom, front of the kite, and into the hole on the tab on the back side, just like that. So now we have the zip tie goes down all the way through to the front, comes back around, up through, and out the back again. So now we bring our spine in and we insert it. So what we're doing is creating a pocket for the spine to slide in and out of. Now, if you noticed the holes, let me show you on the nose. See if we can see that. The holes here and these holes, when you fold them over, don't line up. The reason for that is that when you create the pocket, the holes on the tab will then line up, and all the puckering will be on the back, and the front will be nice and flat. Insert the spine in again into the pocket that you're forming. Bring the pointy end of the zip tie over and into the knuckle, and then you can start hearing the little clicks. Just like that. And we want to tighten down just enough to create a pocket, but we want to be able to slide the vinyl in and out. Maybe one more click. Okay? It has to slide easily. Now we take our wire cutters, right down nice and snug against the knuckle, and snip. Just great. Bring the knuckle out, down, fold the tab over, go down to the face of the sail. Okay, from the back, out the front, around into the hole, back up, and through the other hole with the back tab. And now we have the tab around the spar, the spine of the kite. Go ahead and insert the zip tie once more. And click it down. It'll be fine. And there, just like that. We now have the spine, nose, and tail pockets formed.